Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word said. What word? Said. She said, shh. The girl said, shh. This is the word jump. What word? Jump. Whoa, look at her jump. The girl can jump. This is the word for. What word? For. Oh, I wonder who the gift is for. A gift for you. This is the word away. What word? Away. I wonder if the bird will fly away. The bird can fly away. This is the word up. What word? Up. Hey, look up at the bird in the sky. The bird is up in the sky. This is the word here. What word? Here. This man looks like he's saying, come here, come here. Dad said, come here. This is the word look. What word? Look. Look at the child and their cat. Look at my cat. This is the word help. What word? Help. Oh, the cat looks like it needs help. Can you help the cat? That's all of today's words. Let's read them again. Said, jump, for, away, up, here, look, help. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. Want a few more ways to practice with today's words? Then check out our activity kit on Teachers Pay Teachers. Be sure to catch us again next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.